Hi kiddos, hope everybody's doing wonderful and enjoying this great weather that we're having. So right now we are going to learn about solving problems using repeated addition, multiplication, and then we are going to look at an array and what an array might be. So multiplication is repeated addition. And to think about that, let's first look at what a repeated addition is. So everybody knows how to add. If I said 2 plus 2, you would say equals 4. Great. So if we were doing repeated addition, we would just use that number more than 2 times. Let's think of something that we all really like. How about using fruit? We can use fruit as an example. So pineapple. Pineapple happens to be one of my favorites, so we'll use pineapple. Say that I ate 2 pieces of pineapple every day, and I ate it for 6 days straight. So I had 2 pieces of pineapple. I am going to write that. Okay, so I am doing 2 pieces of pineapple a day, but I'm going to do it for 6 days. So I'm going to write 2 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this represents each day. So 2 pieces each day for 6 days. And then I can solve that. Or I could take the next step and come up with this neat little nifty word that people use called multiplication. So I'm going to do 2 times 6. And if we add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they both mean the same thing. They both equal the same thing. Multiplication sign looks like this. Sometimes on your computer, you might see it look like this. This is only really if we're using a computer. It looks like a little star like that. There's an easier way to do all of this addition, and that's by using multiplication. So instead of just writing out 6 2's, we have an easier way to do it. All right, let's try one more together, and then I'll give you a word problem to see if you can try to do it on your own. So say Bryn likes pizza, and she wants to have 2 slices of pizza every day for 3 days. Let's try to figure that out. Let's first use repeated addition. So we said 3 slices of pizza, or we said 2 slices of pizza for 3 days. So here I'm going to do 2 slices of pizza, and I'm going to do it for 3 days. So 1, 2, 3 days, and 2 slices each day. Now the other way that we can write that is 2 slices of pizza, multiply it by 3 days. Now let's see what our answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is our answer for this, and 6 would be our answer for this as well. 2 times 3 equals. Okay, now let's see if you can answer this question. Let's read it together. Leo ran 2 blocks every day for 5 days. How many blocks did Leo run all together? All right, so first we're going to circle our numbers. I'm going to write the number 2 above this because I know that it's a number, and I'm going to circle 5 days. So there, I have my numbers that I'm working with. Now, let's see if we can write this in a repeated addition. So 2 blocks every day for 5 days. We would write 2 5 times. Now, if we wanted to write this in multiplication, we would write 2 times 5. And they both mean the same thing, and you're going to get the answer the same for both of them. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we know that this one is 10. So we just did the addition for it. So 2 times 5 is 10. Or you can do 5 times 2. So you're doing 5 twice is 10. Now let's look at an array. This is a good model of what an array would look like. It has rows that go across and columns that go down. Here we have 4 going down and 3 going across. Now I'm going to show you how to write this using repeated addition and then multiplication. This is what it would look like if I were to write this using repeated addition or multiplication. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's the same as this. There's 3, 3, 3, and 3. Or I could write it 3 times 4 because I have 3 in the rows going across and 4 in the columns going down. So let's add these all together and then we'll count them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's see if this matches up with our array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, there are 12 paper clips. So we know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So now I want to show you something neat as well. If I take these paper clips and rearrange them, and now I have 4 going across and 3 going down, it equals the same as 3 times 4. There's still the same amount of paper clips, we're just going to write it backwards. So we would write 4 times 3, and it is the same answer. Isn't that neat how we did that? So solving word problems with repeated addition, multiplication, and using arrays is something that you kids will use a lot next year in 3rd grade. I hope this helped you understand it a little bit better, and please remember to reach out to any one of us if you have any questions about anything. Have a great summer, kids.